It's 5 minute first impressions, and I've just realized my logo looks like a wrecking ball. We're doing mindxbody.com, and the poster that suggested or asked us to do this review said that they're new to the game. So let's take this one in the sense that they're new and they're learning. So we'll maybe be a little bit nice. And I have to say, I was expecting a lot worse. So fair play to you, creator of mindxbody.com. I don't remember your username, but I will. I'll make a note of it. So first things first. This is a lovely, simple website, okay? And if you're new to it, the best thing, I went 3 words down to find the one I was looking for there. The best thing that you can do is simplify everything. And I've said it to about 5 different people at this point. And the reason is, the simpler it is, the less that can go wrong. And it makes it easier to find your mistakes. So you've clearly gone very simple, and I like that. You've gone with a flat blue and a flat white background. It works very nice. Now, I'm going to say that this doesn't work with all these different links, and then general just doesn't work. Okay, so we've gone on to a much more complicated website, and all this stuff has appeared at the top, and it's very confusing. All right, so you need the first thing is your header, or at least some simple part of your design, or your main kind of overview of your design needs to say stay common. All goes to MindXBody. Make that home. Everybody that looks on, that goes on the internet realizes, oh, hang on, this has changed. We've now gone back to the home, and this wasn't here the first time, was it? Okay. Right. Okay, so things a little bit more complicated, but still not too bad. I would actually get rid of this, to be honest. It doesn't do anything for you. People put these down the bottom. If people are going to use them, if people are going to sign up to your Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, or sign up to your give you their email address, they will have read your content, and they will have been at the bottom of the website. So I would get rid of that and make it simpler. And I would also maybe try and get less of these. I don't know what this website does, but just the design itself looks quite good so far. But I would go for less links here as well. I'm sure some of these, like ergonomics and productivity, probably could fit in the same thing, surely. Meditation and yoga could definitely fit in the same thing. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. Improve your life efficiently. That's not a very easy to read sentence. Try some of the best health and wellness resources on the web. You could make this the same line, and it would it could still be readable, and you wouldn't have to dart your eye from all the way to the right down to the left again to read it. This doesn't fit here, by the way. Get rid of that. It's an ad, is it? Yeah, get rid of that. Okay, so you've got... I assume this is just some sort of an information website, and you've got all these categories going on here, and then subcategories with links in them. So general information, wiki nutrients, food, and we've got just a Wikipedia article about nutrients in general. Learn about essential, non-essential nutrients. Click. Okay. Okay. I see what you're doing here. It's a little bit confusing because we see text, which is a link, and then we have the down arrow. So what I would expect to happen is when I click this, that this action happens, and that, or that there's no, accordion action happening at all. So that needs to be clearer. Maybe put this in, give it a background color to make it clear that something's going to pop down. There's too much here. I think what you need to do is even make these pop down or something like that. But it's a very long scrolling thing going on. I get what you're doing with the one page. Okay. Yeah, okay, so don't have it all on the one page if the sub pages are going to get them separately as well. That's just redundant information. If you knew anything, or if you know anything about databases, you'll know about some of the normal forms, and a lot of that is about removing redundant information. And there's a reason for that. There's a reason it's useful. So yeah, I would say there's just too much going on here. You could have each category food, right, and then maybe just have a couple to show what's there, so then we can see it all within 2 heights of your page. So I hope that's useful, and I'll see you again.